Welcome to this section, guys. We're going to be covering products in a petroleum refinery. So it's very important to understand what are products. Products start from crude oil. Crude oil is a product that we use as feedstock. And we have several cuts. So if you were just a crude distillation engineer, you have several products. You have cuts of gases, you have light naphtha, heavy naphtha, you have kerosene and residual. That will be all for you. So what we're going to cover is products of each individual unit, and we have mixtures, or let's say blending of products. We want to understand that as well. So we will start with the typical cuts that you will get: light gases, naphtha, gas oils, fuel oils, and residual material. This residual material goes to a vacuum distillation unit, which is of course going to recover most of the product, but still we're going to have a residual material. Typical intermediates that I want you to learn are reformate. What is a reformate? Well, reformate comes from the reformer. What's the feedstock of the reformer, and why do we want to reformate that? And why do we add it to gasoline? So of course it will be mainly because of the octane rating, but I want you to try understanding that your gasoline, as you see it, is a several mixture of products. The alkylate, we're going to see isomerate, we're going to see also polymer gasoline, and so on. Also, we're going to see that we want to remove several aromatics from gasoline that we are going to use later on for, I don't know, maybe benzene for production of styrene, toluene, hydrogen, and so on. Then we continue with the product specifications, which is, in my opinion, one of the most interesting parts, because one thing is operating through all the network of the refinery, and the final specification is what are you selling and why do you want to improve several conditions or several properties. For instance, you're going to get to know what's octane rating, you're going to get to know what's smoke point, what is the cetan index, viscosities, sediments, what are gums, why do we want to avoid them, why do we use certain colors or additives, and so on. So this is, let's say, the final touch in the procedure of fuels production. Okay, and finally, guys, after watching all these, remember that you don't need to learn them by heart. If you have any doubt, you can always get back to this section and review what is a reformate, what's a polymer gasoline, what is the typical content of, I don't know, FCC, why do FCC has several cuts, and where do we have them. You can always go back here and check it out. Okay, so I'll see you in the next lecture.